Hello teacher, my name is Lovepreet Kaur and my student ID is 30371317. We are four members in a group, Vaishali, Harmanpreet Singh, Palak Maggu and me. On second assignment of ITech 7409, my article is last one, which is software test document on online backstage management system, and I am going to starting with introduction. System overview. The OBMS application solves the client requirement of application to manage and maintain the competitor's detail for RSSS. These documents include the testing details of how the testing of software is held during the software testing process. Now I am going to describe about test approach. This is the exam method for implementing a project. They describe that online backstage management system checking would be conducted out. In the testing process, there are many different strategies are used depending on that the project can adopt, such as model-based approaches, consultative approaches, and risk-based approaches. Now I am going to describe about test plans. First is features to be tested. In a testing process of OBMS application, some major modules must be tested to ensure the quality of the software application, such as user and admin login, user and admin logoff, registering competitor, importing data from the guidebook, report printing, backup database, and restore database. The second one is features not to be tested. These are the characteristics of the system or subsystem which will not be testing. This is necessary to check those features not be tested to avoid the later confusion when stakeholders thought that something would be tested but was not. The third one is testing tools and environment. To test the OBMS application, the test framework is generated as a configuration of equipment and software for test groups to perform test cases. Testing tools for testing of the OBMS application are Selenium and Testing Viz. Now I am going to describe about test cases. The first one is TC-001. Verify if the user can import guidebook input. Go to import guidebook and import result pass. Second one is TC-002. Verify if the user can register competitor details input. Go to register competitor details and add the required fields, then click the register result pass. Third one is TC-003. Verify if the user can edit and manage the register details input. Go to register edit option, edit the required details and save the details result pass. Fourth one is TC-004. Verify if the user can administer the overall application input. Go to admin login and access every screen result pass. The fifth one is TC-005. Verify if the user can configure screens input. Go to config screen and editor the required config type. Result pass. Sixth one is TC-006. Verify if the user can use multiple sites input. Go to every site and access every screen result pass. Seventh one is TC-007. Verify if the user can make a group registration input. Go to register screen. Select the register option as group registration result pass. Eighth one is TC-008. Verify if the user can see the status of the competitors input. Go to status and view the all competitor status result pass. Ninth one is TC-009. Verify if the registered data are up to date input. Go to registered data and see the edit changes are up to date result pass. 10th one is TC-010. Verify the numbering of competitors are scheduled input. Go to competition schedule screen and view the number of competitors result pass. The last one is TC-011. Verify the maintenance of the database input. Go to the database and maintaining the change regularly result pass. Now I am going to describe about some acronyms. The first one is AJAX, asynchronous JavaScript and XML. then OBMS, Online Backstage Management System, then RSSS, Royal South Trade Society, then SDD, Software Design Description, then SPMP, Software Project Management Plan, then SRS, Software Requirement Specification, and last one is WBS, Work Breakdown Structure. And in the last, there are 15 references of the material which we use to make our articles. Thank you.